What's up, dancers? Welcome to tutorial 4, all about that bass by Meghan Trainor. So the chorus is, we're going to start here in a wide position, we're going to drop it nice and low. And with that nice and low, we're going to be able to work our bass. So we start right here, pumping to the right, we go 1, 2, on 3 we slap the booty, and we take the hips around. Then we go other side, 1, 2, 3, and around. Pump, pump, slap, and around, and pump, pump, slap, and around. Now side view here, you're going to see that pump, pump, booty, and around. Really pumping it back, booty, and around. Seeing that face in the front. It goes. You know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. 1, 2, 3, all around. 1, 2, 3, all around, and 1, 2, 3, all around. Extra points for making that noise. Next section. So we're going to take it over to the right, starting 4 walks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double, single, single. Double, single, single. 2 count, 3, 4. We take it back to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the arms of this are really free. The music is super fun, the lyrics are super fun, so you can dance with the music, lip sync all you want. But really there's no set arms for this, just set feet. We start to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, double, single, single. 1, 2, 3, 4, double, single, single. 1, 2, 3, 4, double, single, single. Now the knees are going to go side and side, and then around and around. The arms are going to be down, front, front, and as the hips are going in circle, we're going to bring the fingers pointing up to the sky. So let's see that face in the front. I'll do both sides. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Around, pointed up to go left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the way down, and then around as we come up. All right, next section we're going to take it up to the mirror with a little pony step, starting that right foot. Arms are freestyle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when we step out with the right foot, we're going to go no, brush, no, and brush. So just the feet go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the hand, 1, 2, brush it off, 5, 6, brush it off. Then we take it back, pony on the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6, we're going to give a little booty notification here. 5, 6, 7, 8. When we take it down to the knees, we pop booty, booty, look, front. And we take it up again. 1, 2, freestyle, 5, 6, with the hand, 1, 2, brush, 5, 6, brush right foot back, 1, 2, again with the hands, 5, 6, 7, 8. But this time we go step, step, body around, and drop it low to get ready for the chorus. Let's show both those parts going to the front. So, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, booty, booty, and look again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, brush, 5, 6, brush, right, left, arms, left, step right, step left, body around, and down to a chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Right after that second chorus, we're going to go back into the walks where we walk to the right with a double, single, single. But before we do that, we have a full 8 count of music to play with. So we're going to take it up 1, 2, 3. Grab a piece of food or a little piece of candy, which is I prefer. We eat it and we go 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we take it for 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, down low, side to side knees, and then our hips around. And right here, going again up to the front with that pony. So I'll show section 2 right after the chorus with all about the bass. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're bringing booty back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pop, pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top, top, low, low, up, up to pony front. Wonderful. So we're going to take that pony again up to the mirror and back. Remember, on the 5, 6 on the way back, we take those arms, we pop that booty, 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 and look. We take it up again, and on the second time we go out, out, body, and down. One more time with the chorus, and we have 2 sections of right, left, right, right, left. Hands down below, we take it up, and we're going to finish with the pony one more time. Brush it off. Pa, pa, ta, ta, ta. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time we're going to come booty here, booty, booty, and look. So that's all the choreography to all about that bass. Let's dance it.